What's good Peacemax family? Welcome to another video. On today's video we're gonna be unboxing some mods for my Honda EK. It's not really major mods, but it's something that's gonna sparkle up the car a bit. So yes, let's go straight to the intro, and I hope you enjoy the video. Kruger. As you guys know, we're unboxing some mods for the Honda EK. So guys, I might have cheated a bit. I unboxed some of the things already, and some of you guys saw one of the mods that I actually bought. So the first mod that I got, guys, it's this number plate, Japanese JDM number plate. You might be wondering what's happening here. So by the way, this is in Japanese and it's actually Beast. So it's actually Beast Max 350. I love the quality of the plate. It's really affordable also, and it's really good. And anyways, you know, because in South Africa you can't be driving with this number plate all the time, so it's mostly for when you're at car shows. That's when you can put this number plate. By the way, guys, I'll also give you in the description where you can get the number plate, or you can just directly talk to me so I can get ordered for you if you need a plate. And they do every type of plate. They do Euro plates, they do any type of plate that you want from all over the world. They can do it for you, but obviously depending on which number plate that you're looking for, there's going to be a different price for it. For more information, DM me, or I'll leave my WhatsApp description or WhatsApp number in the bottom so you can contact me if you need a plate. Then I can connect you directly to the people that made it, or you can just go directly to them. I actually bought this number plate even before getting the car. I was so ambitious of starting my career or my journey, the automotive industry, with the YouTube channel, so I bought it even way before getting Beastie. Second mod is the Beast Max sticker, the decal. I'm not sure if you guys can see it properly through the camera. That's another mod that I got, sticker number 1. And I got a free sticker from the guys that actually made a number plate, which is sticky_Lego. That's another mod that I got. So it's basically the plate, the 2 stickers, and right now I'm about to do an unboxing of the other things, because this one's already unboxed before even on camera. Now I'm gonna do the legit unboxing. So we're gonna start with this one here. It's another decal, guys. Like, as I said, it's not really a major upgrade. It's mostly like decals, but yeah, let's do the unboxing. Hope I don't damage anything. So guys, I'm so excited about this one also. I don't know how it looks like, so let's do the unboxing, guys. Packaging, it's good. So let's just go into it. Hope I don't damage anything. Hope they gave me some extra goodies. God damn, guys, I can't open this. Okay, there you go. Ooh, what's in here? Can you guys guess it? Almost showed my numbers and stuff, but can you guys guess what it is? As I said, it's a decal, it's a sticker, but what type of sticker? Comment down below before I open. Don't cheat. Comment down below and let me know what sticker it is or what decal it is. Okay, now let's do the unboxing in 3, 2, 1. There you go. So it's customized for my Beastie, for my Honda EK. Since it's a non VTEC, I make sure that I put it on just to come up with a new thing, because everybody goes bananas with VTEC stuff. So I was like, okay, let me just get one says non VTEC. So there you go, guys. There you go. Oh, seems like I got some other goodies. I got more sticky Lego stickers, guys. I got more. Woohoo! So excited. Stoked. I'm so stoked about this. Have to put it on the transi. Oh, damn. So I didn't see. So I got actually 2 fonts. I got this type and also this type over here. So that's good. Now I can play around depending on how I feel. I can just put this one for maybe some few months and put this other one for other few months. But guys, I'm so stoked about this. I'm so stoked. God damn. Thank you, Sticky Lego. Sticky_Lego. Thank you so much for this. Thank you. And again, thank you for the free stickers. So, the last unboxing for this video is this from Concept Sport. It's a shifter plate. I so want to see the quality of this. I so want to see the quality. I've seen it on pictures and stuff, and it looked hella dope. Let's just see how it looks like. Okay, we're gonna go like that, like that. By the way, guys, this is coming from Concept Sports. I'll also leave the information down in the description. From me, it's gonna be better, guys, because you're gonna support me and my YouTube channel. But anyways, if you wanna go directly to them, just Concept Sport. But as I said, I'll leave the information down in the description. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Damn. So guys, I got the shifter plate. So this, guys, it's basically for you to delete the shifter boot. This is what you get to actually remove that. I love the quality. I don't know what material is this, but I love it. Concept Sport, salute. So let's see what else do they have inside. Oh, so they got that rubber seal, so that to cover up around the shifter. It's actually for here, for this area here. When you change, it doesn't bang. Your gear knob or your gear lever doesn't bang on the shifter. So I like this. So guys, we've got more decals. Salute. Thanks guys. Thanks a lot for this. So I got more decals for the Transi CS. Salute. I actually appreciate this a lot, guys. I really appreciate this a lot. So we're gonna be modding the car more. Seems like the Honda, guys, it's got a lot of decals. And this, I don't know where it's going, but it's like some type of a foam to keep everything smooth so it doesn't bump around or something like that. But I don't know what it is. But I'll figure out. I'll call the guy from Concept Sports and figure out what's this for. Guys, I'm so excited about the mods that I got. Damn, the car's gonna be looking way better. Even though, you know, guys, the car is in a horrific shape right now. Some of the mods, I'm gonna put them later on in the stage. Some of them I'll put them now, because on those areas that I'm gonna put them, it's not really necessary for it. It's not gonna look like there's not, like, I'm not gonna do work on that areas. So I'm gonna put some mods for it right now, just to show you on this video also. But yeah, guys, check this out. Ooh, I'm so stoked. God damn. Feels like I won a lottery, guys. I feel like I won the lottery. So stoked. So yeah, guys, for now, I'm just gonna walk around and see where I can actually place some decals on the car. The VTEC one I won't really put, because I still need to do painting on the car, and it's gonna be a waste of time for me to put it now. But I got 2, so I can actually put it now and the other one after painting the car. I'll think about that. But yeah, anyways, guys, let me walk around and see where I can place some of the mods. But yeah, let's go for it. So guys, I also wanted to show you like where actually the shifter plate goes. So the shifter plate actually goes like, it's gonna be like something like that. Basically, it's to remove this boot, and you can see this boot already. It's already effed up. Like, look at that. It's really tragic. It's really trash. I'm still contemplating on putting it right now, because I still want to work around the dashboard itself. But the dashboard is quite good. It's only this part that I don't really know what happened, but I still need to figure out what I'm gonna do. I think, but I'm gonna put a gauge just to eliminate this here. Some parts are cracked, like this part here and that part over there. And also here, this is why another thing why I was contemplating on putting it, because this part here, it's also cracked. But the dashboard is quite decent. It's not that bad. But yeah, as I said, the plates is for here. So like, look at that, guys. It's so gonna look so awesome. God damn. So I might actually put it after I strip out the car, because as you guys know, I'm planning to strip out the whole interior, clean it out, because it's a mess, guys. It's a mess. So I want to do that first. Then after I do that, I might actually install the shift plate. So yeah, let's also check. Let's walk around and see where we can place the other decals on the car. So yeah, guys, let me just show you what I was thinking about on where to place them. So I got the sticky Lego here on both sides. So it's this side and this side also. So it looks like it's gonna be neat. It looks like it's gonna be dope. But yeah, the Beast Max 351 just gonna be right here at the back, just right there. And the VTEC one, the non-VTEC one, obviously guys, this has to be like cut in half. The other one is for the other side, but this is an idea of how it's gonna look like. Let's just do that. Yeah, so it's gonna be on the other side also. But yeah, man, so stoked about this. So let's go inside the car. Then we've got the Concept Sport on the dashboard. I've actually installed the first sticker. Just wanted to test it out because I wanted to do a good job first. But yeah, I've installed the first sticker. I'm about to remove it, but before I remove that, I'm gonna go to the other side and install the other one and show you guys how I do it. Let's start with the Beast Max one over here. The first thing that you need to do is clean out the area, the surface. Clean out the surface. Get a nice thorough clean. I'm gonna quickly wipe that. So next thing that you do, you place, I put like the tape over here just to see where I want the sticker to be. Check if it's straight, check if you like it that it's straight or what. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open that up like that, remove the bottom part. There you go. Took that off. Then you're gonna slowly place it down. Then I'm gonna just somewhat do this. Just take out the bubbles. Do that. Make sure that it's fine. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you think it's awesome. I think it's awesome. I like it so far, but I just need to remove the rest of the thingy so you can see the sticker itself where I placed them. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's go straight to the B-roll. I'm so stoked, guys. I'm liking how it looks like. Even the car's in shambles right now, but I know as soon as it starts upgrading, the stickers are gonna look way better even. But yeah, guys, I'd like to make a special shout out to Concept Sport and Sticky Lego. I love this, guys. I love the companies. I love the services. So please, guys, make sure that you support them and get your own stickers. Concept Sport deals with Hondas. Whatever you need for Hondas, talk to them. Contact them. As I said, I'll leave the information down in the description. Get them for any parts that you need for a Honda, EG, EK, or whatsoever. That's the best people to talk with. If you need like stickers, if you need like t-shirts, printed t-shirts or caps or cups or anything, because they deal with a lot of things. They deal with weddings, they deal with anything that has to do with printing. Sticky Lego is the people to go to. So it's sticky_Lego. Those are people that you need to talk to. They are good with whatever they do. Services, delivery, if you're far from them, delivery is quick. I'm like they're on the other side of the country. I'm on the other side of the country. It took me like not even 3 days to get my things. Both companies. So services, as I said, they're good, guys. So if you need to get any sort of things from them, I'll leave the link on the description and contact them. Please make sure you support them. So yeah, and make sure that you tell them it's BeastMax 350 that actually referred you to them. So please make sure to do that, because that might actually help the build, or actually help me or the YouTube channel, which is going to be helping you so you can get more content also. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I love you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell button to get notification, and comment down below also. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. It's a boy BeastMax 350. See you on the next video. Kruger.